basically I came to Dr. Rajat Gupta for my breast reduction surgery. It was not just breast reduction surgery, it was a huge breast reduction surgery for me. I was suffering from a lot of issues with regards to my backache, my neck pain, my shoulder pains, a lot of public embarrassment also, to be honest. And I didn't know what to do, and it took me years and years to take that final decision that I really need to do something about it. While I had looked forward to a lot of surgeons on YouTube, on Google, I had visited a couple of them as well, but I was never that convinced. And without even without even coming to this doctor, I had only spoken to him once over the phone, and I don't know why that instinct that he can do it, it got me here, and which is why I started off with my procedures with him here in this hospital. Honestly speaking, I don't know. I spoke to Dr. Rajat Gupta, and that is it. I think he had all the immense knowledge. He spoke out like he knew it all, and he's the one who can actually do it for me. I had no second thoughts, no second opinions. That was the day I decided. I shut my books of searching so many surgeons. I was like, he's the one. If I get it done, it's only gonna be him. Otherwise, I won't. That's the kind of trust I got just while speaking to him over the phone. And when I came, was a different experience altogether. I was thrilled. I got excited that yes, it's gonna happen with me. It's really gonna work out for me. But yet I had butterflies in my stomach to understand exactly what will I get after the surgery. The day of my surgery, I would say I was scared, I won't lie, because I've never been through any kind of surgery in the past throughout my life. I'm 36 years of age, and it was a very scary experience for me. But the doctor was particularly calm. He was all excited, and he was more excited than anybody else, I would say. Then he did remove a lot of tissue. He did explain it to me in the morning while marking all over me, that this is going to be happening. That's how I would do. So the entire procedure was well explained to me in the morning also, the day before, the very day of my operation. When I was in the OT, I still didn't know what was going to happen. I knew it was a big bulk that he had to remove, but I didn't know how big was that. But effectively, he removed about 1700 grams from each side. So nearly about 4 kgs was removed from my breasts. The time of my OT, and it took him good 5-6 hours, I would say. It was a big thing. I didn't know about it. I just woke up and he was all smiling. I saw all smiling faces for all the helping hands with the doctors as well. So my husband was very excited because he saw it before I did. The doctor saw it before I did. He made it. I think he's created a masterpiece for me. I'm very, very happy, very, very excited. I think it's a life-changing aspect for me, and I'm just loving to live with it. I don't know, I was just wow. I didn't know that I would be able to walk around that fast. I thought with a surgery that big, people tend to be relaxing a lot and everything, but I was up and running, so it was all good. I was relaxed, no pain whatsoever. A little bit of discomfort, but then that, I think it goes without saying, it was completely bearable. It was not that I had been through an operation or whatnot. I did not call any of my relatives, parents, whoever here, because I think I was very well comfortable. So I think the wow experience that I had, the only thoughts that I had in my mind was I was very mobile with the activities that I could do. Now with my kids or probably at home, I could go out to parks. I could physically do all these things that I was stuck with in the past so many years I could not do. So I think it's a wow experience altogether. That's like wow. So he just not chop it off. He did make it appropriate to my size. That should have been there, and the shape looks wonderful. It doesn't look like it's artificial. It looks like it was just there. You know, probably all these years it was wrapped around with something else, but today it just opened up really well. You know, I'm really grateful to Dr. Rajat Gupta that he's really blessed me with this, you know, the ease of my life as well as, you know, the art that he's created. So I would also want to say one thing. I had read all over his posts and Insta and everything, wherever I followed, people did call him a magician. And I always wondered, aisa kya karte hain, right? But I think today I am the one to call him a magician. It's a life-changing aspect. He has completely carved something new out of my body, which I never thought of. So I would really want to thank him. I've always been very scared and very fearful of the aspect of getting a breast reduction surgery done. With regards to, you know, while we all live in a society which is open enough for women, but there's still a little feeling of being ashamed of what would I say to people, or how would they perceive me if I get this surgery done, or maybe what would happen to me. You know, will they accept me? Will they not accept me? I would say today, it's a chunk of bullshit. That's what it is. It is my life. I thought about it for years, and I'm regretting I did not get the surgery done 10 years back. You know, if I would have been in my 20s today, I think I would have been more youthful. I would have enjoyed those 10 years perhaps pretty much more than what I did. I don't think anyone decides anything for ourselves. It is us who need to decide. I don't care about what people may perceive about me today, but I think it is the ease of life that matters to me right now. My shoulders don't hurt, my back doesn't hurt. I can walk around freely. I can enjoy my life with my kids. I can do all sorts of physical activities as well. So I think that's what matters to me, nothing else. And I look pretty, is all I can say. You know, it is no more social embarrassment. You're not the center of attraction for everybody. So I think that's what matters, and you should not be more fearful about anything else. I just loved being here. You know, I just spoke to my husband also around it. One day was too less for being here. You're very pleasant. The entire staff was too pleasant to me. I did not feel like I was not at home. It was much more than being at home, you know. I loved it, the overall experience. Thank you to the entire Rajat Gupta and team for keeping me well, for maintaining me so well, and for making me who I am today. Thank you so much.